What's going on, guys? I've got a mic review for you today. Now, I spend a lot of my time talking into a mic, if I'm in a Skype call, gaming online with friends, or making voiceovers for my YouTube videos. Now, a lot of creators talk about your audio quality being one of the most important aspects to any YouTube video. Now, I think for any online presence, your audio quality is crucial. Today, we'll be looking at the AU-902 USB mic from Maono, also called the Fairy Lite. Now, just a disclaimer, I did receive this mic for free from Maono, but this review is based on my own thoughts and experiences with this product. Let's check it out. Here's the Fairy Lite all boxed up. As we get open, inside you've got the mic and stand all together with a decent amount of padding. There's also a small accessory box with the Type A to Type C cable inside, and that's everything inside. Let's go on to the features. First impressions, this mic is built like a rock. The all-metal build just shouts high quality. The only plastic pieces are the adjustment knobs, and these knobs are used for adjusting the swing angle of the mic. At the front of the mic, there are two turn dial wheels. The top one adjusts the mic gain. There's also a green LED showing that the mic is on, and with a single press, it mutes the mic, and the LED turns red. And the bottom dial adjusts the audio monitoring volume. On the back of the mic, there's a Type-C connector and a 3.5mm port. And the mic stand is pretty sturdy as well, with the all-metal finish and the rubberized bottom to prevent slipping. One thing to note though, the mic itself does not have a mounting adapter built into the bottom, but it's built into the stand. Now, how does this mic sound? The mic is built with a cardioid pattern. It just means that the highest sensitivity of sound comes from directly in front of the microphone and little sensitivity from the back, with reduced sensitivity of sound coming in from the sides. I'll be running this mic with unedited audio with the gain set at 50%, 75%, and 100%. Just a side note that it is on my desk with my PC fans running in the background. Here are the results. This is the mic at 6 inches away from me at 50% gain. Pop, pop, popsicle, ice, ice, icicle, test, test, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the mic at 6 inches away from me at 75% gain. Pop, pop, popsicle, ice, ice, icicle, test, test, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the mic at 6 inches away from me at 100% gain. Pop, pop, popsicle, ice, ice, icicle, test, test, testing, 1, 2, 3. My final thoughts on the Maono Fairy Lite. It's a decent sounding mic. The build quality is also extremely durable. It's also plug and play, making it easy for anyone to use. And it's definitely an upgrade from the built-in mic that you would find in any laptop. But who is this mic actually good for? Now, I'd recommend this mic if you're looking to increase your audio output quality from something like your laptop mic or the built-in mic inside of your earbuds. Now, it's a good beginner-friendly mic with just enough customizability for the everyday user. So someone who uses Skype or Zoom all day, and they're just looking to make themselves sound more clearer and crisp. Now, if you're in the market for an entry-level mic, the Fairy Lite is definitely an option to consider. Now, if you made it this far into the video, let me know in the comments what mic you're using. Thanks for watching.